Welcome back to our channel. Today we've got another presentation for you. This is going to be a presentation on part of the maintenance preparation for ATO cabinet type single-phase frequency converter, that is, disconnecting the bridge rectifier circuit. Before overhauling the frequency converter or variable frequency power supply, remember to cut off the power supply and leave it for that for more than 30 minutes, or discharge it. For example, to do that via a 20 watts 500 ohms incandescent bulb. Let's unscrew the left-sided cover first off. Put the multimeter in DC mode to test the DC capacitor. Make sure that the voltage doesn't exceed 5 volts DC before taking the next step. The inner circuitry on the left side is shown like this. And this is the bridge rectifier circuit. Remove the 4 wires from the rectifier and wrap them in electrical tapes to prevent them from getting in contact with surrounding components. And this concludes the pre-maintenance operation. The purchase link for the converter mentioned in the video are given in the description below. If you're interested in this product and want to find out more about it, please go ahead, check it out, and do your shopping from there. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for the CAN-based follow-up videos. Thanks for watching. See you soon in the next video.